In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do good responsive design in Framer. Start by opening Framer and loading your project. On the canvas, select the page or the specific element you want to make responsive. Getting the right layer selected up front keeps your changes focused and avoids accidental edits elsewhere. Look to the right-hand sidebar and open the Style panel. In there, locate the Position section. This is where you define how your element behaves inside its parent as the layout shifts. Choose a type that matches your intent. Absolute places the element at exact coordinates within its parent and removes it from the normal flow, useful for overlays or badges, but it won't naturally adapt as siblings move. Relative keeps the element in the document flow so it reflows with other content. This is the safest default for most responsive layouts. Sticky allows an element to scroll with the page until it reaches a threshold, then hold its position, great for headers or callouts that need to stay visible. Next, find the size controls. Adjust the width so it scales appropriately across devices. Pixels give you precision, while percentages or container-based sizing help elements adapt as their parent resizes. Aim for values that preserve balance at small and large viewports alike. Then set the height. Fixed heights can cause clipping on smaller screens, so consider flexible values when content may grow. If your element sits inside a layout container, tune the grow setting. Grow lets the element expand to fill leftover space. Increase it when you want this layer to share available room with siblings, or reduce it to keep it from stretching. Finally, refine min and max constraints. A sensible min width prevents your content from collapsing too tightly, and a max width maintains comfortable reading lengths on wide displays. Thoughtful minimums and maximums are key to keeping designs consistent without breaking at extremes. With these settings dialed in, position, size, grow, and sensible limits, you'll have a Framer layout that responds smoothly and predictably across screens.